Hello again, folks. So today I'm going to try Shackleman challenge number 3 from Cease Do, and that is to use a bobby pin or hair grip, as we call them. Didn't have any, so I had to go out and get some. So I will say I've struggled to get these off, even after watching Cox's tips. So I've been trying to bend on the bend backwards and forwards a couple of times to get a break there. Oh, there we go, like so. That might be a better one than the one I've been using. There we go. That's the one I've been practicing with. I've had a couple of goes at this and not tried this before until today. So, but this is why there is challenges, because it teaches us different things. So, I'm going to use the ASP 100s, and I'm also going to put the double lock on, like so. And then we'll see if we can get them off. So that's the double lock off. And that's at the cuff. That's an escape. I've got my hands free. That's for double lock off. Now this one always does prove to be a bit of a pig. But like I say, I've got my hands free. So here we go. Half a bobby pin. Dang it, Bobby. Brilliant. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for the challenges. Till next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
We are Shackleman. We are not sporters. We shim. We pick handcuffs. Expect challenges.